Have you ever imagined using a smartphone without actually having a smartphone in your hand or in your pocket? Yes, it is becoming the reality. BCI, Brain Computer Interface, and its mega project is Neuralink. Through this project, a brain chip is implanted in your brain that convert your brain signals into digital signals and then send it to smartphone or computer. And no need of screen, no need of buttons, just using your mind. When you think to send a message to any person, just you will imagine in your mind and your message will be sent. You want to browse through YouTube, TikTok, just using your thinking, your brain, and everything will be done. It is very interesting. In 2024, a brain chip was installed in human and a person used the cursor of a computer just by thinking in his mind. He was moving the cursor of a computer just through his mind, not actually using his hands or other things. So, when you will think to send a message, you will compose in your mind, and message will automatically sent to the desired person. Even you will use AI just by thinking in your mind. How it will work, what are its benefits, what are its losses, pros and cons. It will work when the chip is implanted in your brain. As I told you that that chip will read your brain signals, your thoughts, and then convert those signals or thoughts into digital signals and send it to smartphone or your computer. And its benefits are that without having a phone or computer in your hand or in front of you, you will use the internet, you will use the AI, you will talk with chat GPT, just thinking in your mind. And there are some benefits for disabled people and an open era for your progress. And there are some cons, losses of this brain chip. There are risks of hacking your mind. If your brain chip is hacked, your all thoughts will be hacked. What you want to do, what you are thinking, your thoughts will be hacked. And there are also risks of your health. Health related issues are also concerned with this brain chip. And there are some other losses. But is it becoming the reality? Yes, partially. And in future, it will be available for everybody. But right now, partially, experiments are made with the disabled people, with some other people, to use the internet, to use the cell phone, to use the computer without just thinking through the mind. It is very interesting. And how you can imagine, you will think through your brain and the world will be your screen. What do you think about this idea?